Before Hajj begins, I notice people sending text messages and making Facebook posts asking people to forgive them. Is this the proper way to seek forgiveness?
It's some of them are genuine, but some of them are just cheating people, obviously seeking forgiveness is very important, but seeking forgiveness has got its own conditions. For example, your face is scratching, okay, so itchy, you have to scratch, and then you do this. You understand? So does it do? Of course not. Bring it and then scratch it properly. You enjoy it, but just from the distance doing this, you never get it done. Okay, that's how. If you know that you offended someone, just text message, please forgive me. Cheating way. Go and please him properly. As you offended him properly, so please him properly also. Okay. But in terms of, is it important before Hajj? Because we say it is our way of doing, so we all do it, we used to it, because we want to go to perform Hajj without any, you can say, oppression that we did toward the people. Okay, so we want to just be clear from all of our sins, just to clean up ourselves. Okay, but again, the best way, just pick up. So for example, let's suppose that next year you are planning to go to Hajj. From this year, pick up pen and paper, try to remember the names of the people whom you oppressed and the way of you oppressing. So if your oppression was financial oppression, you have stolen or whatever, or he made some labor work for you and you did not pay him properly, but you just cheated him, so go and pay that extra that you have cheated him. Okay, but if this oppression is physical, so you have beaten him, so go and let him to beat you or forgive you properly. But if you backbited someone, then go in front of the people and then make yourself that you lied, even if you said the truth, just because you scratched someone's reputation. Okay, so bring it back to him. Okay, but just sitting in your house, some corner, okay, and you are wishing in which restaurant in Mecca you will have your dinner, and which type of bakhurs you will buy. So you are planning, and then you will text saying, by the way, guys, forgive me please. Just cheating. Muslims, they do not cheat. Okay, be genuine, be noble. As you offended someone, let them to take revenge from you. Okay, just by saying, yes, forgive me, so he will say to you, yes, I am forgiving you, but in Yawm al-Qiyamah he will take revenge, Yeah.